Hi Aaron, how was your weekend?
Not bad, thanks. I went to a dinosaurs exhibition in Barcelona.
How was that?
It was okay. There were scale models of dinosaurs. It was brilliant, and I bought an incredible dinosaur keychain.
That's amazing to go to see scale models of dinosaurs.
Yeah, but there were another fantastic objects that were very expensive.
Oh, that's a shame.
I know. What about you? What did you do?
I went to visit my family of Canovella.
Oh, yeah. How was that?
It was okay, but I was studying for the exams and doing my homework, and I wasn't paying much attention of my family.
Bad luck.
It wasn't bad. After to study, I went with my brothers to the park.
Oh, what was like?
The park was enormous, and it's a very nice place to go.
Oh, that's great.
Now I'm going to study for the English exam.
I also have to study for the English exam.
See you later!
Okay, bye.